Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and again we're going to be showing things that have been completed that we're proud of. But please go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, or our YouTube channel, and let us know what we can restore for you. So today we have a really cool Victrola, and this is one of the larger models. It's not as tall, it's more of a wide, and so you can see that this is how you open the doors in order to see the speaker cloth and allow more sound. And then this is where you open in the center. And then we're going to show you how this plays. So we're going to put the needle down. We're going to wind up a little bit more. Take the brake off. And here we're going to put the sound. Then the sound can be more muted when the doors are shut. So take a look at the brass arm and the needle. And then you lift the needle off of the record player. Now see, for some young people, this is going to be, wow, that's actually how a record was played. Very interesting. And so we hope that this customer will be thrilled with their Victrola. And let us know if we can restore something for you. mumfordrestoration.com. Thanks for watching.